Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to create an account in Upwork. To create an Upwork profile, open your web browser and go to www.upwork.com. Click sign up in the top right corner and choose I am a freelancer looking for work if you are a freelancer. Otherwise, you can choose the other option. Complete your profile by adding personal details and click on Create My Account. Now you need to verify your email account. After that, you need to write a compelling professional overview. List relevant skills. Set what kind of services you offer. Set an appropriate hourly rate and provide your employment history and education. Remember to be honest and accurate. Use a professional photo and keep your profile updated. Following these steps will help you create a strong Upwork profile to secure freelance jobs. Now smash that like, share and subscribe for more informative content, and thanks for watching.